Today on Let's Talk Drinks, I'm going to make the traditional and classic Americano cocktail. Alright guys, so when I was in Italy a few years ago, one of the things that I really enjoyed drinking was the Americano, and I sort of brought that back with me, and I drink a lot of these because it's a low ABV cocktail. It's not super crazy on the alcohol percentage, so you can drink a lot of them. It's an aperitivo, so you can have a few before dinner. The Campari gets your juices flowing and you feel like you want to eat, and that's essentially what it was created for, and it's super easy to make. So this is a built cocktail, which means I don't have to shake it or anything like that. I'm just going to build it in the glass. I'm using a highball today. And the first ingredient, because this is a really simple recipe, is 45 mils of Campari. Which is an ounce and a half for all my amazing American viewers. Which at the moment, the majority of my viewers are Americans. So guys, thank you so much. Aussies, you need to lift your games, as well as everyone else around the world. We're getting a lot of guys from the UK too, guys and girls, so thank you so much. 45 mils of a sweet vermouth, or a Rosso. I'm using today the Adelaide Hills Rosso vermouth, made here in Australia, and it is delicious as well. Now I'm going to give it just a little bit of a stir to mix that up. Really just want to blend that all together. Topped off with some soda water. You can use an orange wedge or an orange wheel. I'm just going to do a wedge. The wheel sort of gets in the way for me. And I might even use a straw in this one, although normally I don't drink it with a straw. This is the Americano. Give it a try. Yum. It is the precursor to the Negroni. I think I've mentioned before in another video that Don Camillo Negroni, when he asked one day for I think it was 1919, asked in Florence for an Americano, but he wanted to remove the soda water and add gin. That's how the Negroni was born. This is the father of the Negroni, and it is super delicious. Something about Campari and sweet vermouth, it just works so well. It's something that you need to try. If you're not drinking a lot of sweet vermouth cocktails, you need to, because they are bloody beautiful. Guys, please like, subscribe. Another really quick cocktail video today, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.